Datebook in Welford chart notes. The Datebook lets you record reminders about patients or unrelated to patients. Here we see the writer open with a Datebook auto-open window. Click on that window to see the detailed Datebook for that patient. To edit an entry, highlight it and press Edit or double-click it. Here we see the date when the reminder is to be triggered and the time when it is to be triggered, if any. Specify a status of active if the reminder is still in effect, delete it if it was erroneous, or note it if you have completed the activity. The message is what we are being reminded to do. Name is where you record the name of the patient, but you can record Datebook entries that do not pertain to a patient, such as to remind you about an upcoming meeting that you need to attend. Check Trigger Upcoming if you want this Datebook entry to appear in the Upcoming Reminders window. This is generally a good idea if you use that feature. Check Trigger Alarm if you'd like an alarm to go off and the Datebook entry to interrupt your work and appear in front of all other windows on your screen on the date and time you have specified. For example, if you want to be reminded to call the hospital about this patient at 4 o'clock to check on some test results, you might use the Trigger Alarm feature to make sure you are notified at that moment. Choose the level of privacy you want for this reminder. Private means that it will only show up for the user who recorded it. Semi-private lets you choose a list of users who will see this reminder. The program remembers the last list of users each user chose for this purpose. Click Change to change the list of semi-private users. Public means all users can see this reminder. These buttons let you control how this reminder is handled in the inbox. Press the Comment button to write an inbox comment about the reminder. Press the Send button to send this reminder to another user's inbox. Press the Noted button to remove this item from your own inbox without sending it to someone else. Here the program shows you which user recorded the reminder and when they did so. Click Delete to erase any record of this reminder. Do this only if this is an erroneous reminder. If the reminder has been acted upon, change the status to Noted instead. Click the Jump button to jump to another part of the program. Now let's click the Add button to add a new reminder. You can click the Calendar button to specify a different date. Enter a time of 8 a.m. The status defaults to active. Enter the message. Remember that the program automatically replaces contractions with their meanings anywhere in the program. Specify the name of the patient if different from the one you are currently editing, and press OK to store your entry. We don't see it listed here because the Datebook is currently configured to show only today's entries. Press the Delete button if you wish to permanently erase the highlighted entry. Click the Jump button to jump to a different program function. Click the Noted button to change the status of the currently highlighted entry to Noted. Click the Utility button to use the Datebook utilities. These are discussed in another video. You can also open the Datebook by pressing Tools, Datebook, or by pressing the Datebook toolbar button. And that's how to use the Datebook in Welford chart notes. For more information, visit us at emirj.com.